What's going on, guys? Urgent105 here, and it's reacting to the EAS. It's been a long time, man. Guess what? It's the same guy's video from Sonic.exe. Oh, hello. Welcome to another inspired video of SPS EAS Freak. What if some creepypasta society attack the world? This is how I would picture this scenario. Let's get into it. We're here. Oh my god, it's been a long time since I listened to some of these. Alright. So authorities issued a local edit a month ago. Nah, I'm not time for that. Not in for that. I swear, I always do that.
A local area emergency has been placed in your area. The following message is transmitted by the Auburn Police Department.
Alright.
A major event has been unfolding at the Auburn University. There has been a hideous dog that has been terrorizing students at a football game in Auburn Stadium. The suspect has killed victims that has been bitten in the neck, leg, foot, eye, ear, hand.
Ear? God,
ouch. The dog has killed over 10 to 15 people at the Auburn game.
Oh, this dog is Smile Dog. I forgot.
This dog. Please report this to the Auburn Police. The Auburn Police Department is advising all residents in a 10 to 15-mile radius of the Auburn Stadium to lock all doors and windows. The Auburn game for next week has been canceled until this situation is over. The emergency alert system has been activated.
Wow. 30 minutes later. You hear that, guys? Some sirens are going on. Let's see what we got going on here. It's like the old EAS from the Rally Tones of it. Not this one, the thing that Herman set it off. Oh my god! Ear rape.
According to the police, the hideous dog that has been terrorizing citizens in Auburn has been identified as Smile Dog.
Smile Dog.
Smile Dog is a grotesque demonic Siberian husky creepypasta. Smile Dog is a JPEG image that sends itself by emails. The image makes people commit self-harm and the email says spread the word. The Auburn 911 has been filled with 911 calls about Smile Dog. According to the victims and police, Smile Dog has been attacking victims across the city of Auburn. Do not approach or try to apprehend the dog as it is deemed unsafe. This situation may change into a shelter-in-place emergency. Remember to lock all doors and windows, and hide in a closet. If you are in the city of Auburn or live near it, make sure you have non-perishable food items such as water, food, and battery power.
Wow. You gotta hide in the closet just for a dog? It cannot just get it inside a house. It cannot even break through a window. Some dogs are stupid to not do that. Like, oh my god. I don't know what I'm saying. I'm not even making sense right here. Men later. Warning, place in shelter. Notice further until area you're for. System alert emergency. What the heck? I'm saying everything backwards. 12 VTALTK.
The following message is a request of the Auburn Police Department. A 12 to 15-year-old girl was found in a forest near Auburn. The girl has the same bite marks from the victims of the Smile Dog's attacks. President Trump has ordered a military operation to kill Smile Dog. This is a shelter-in-place. A shelter-in-place means that you hide in a room with no windows.
Alright.
Make sure you have a battery-powered radio and food for your stay in your shelter.
Can you just block the windows? Really?
Shortly. If you see Smile Dog, report it to the police. Make sure you are in a safe and secure place.
Yeah, if you see him, he will come directly at you if you see him, if he sees you. President?
Good evening. The United States military has been ordered
What's up, President?
military operation that killed Smile Dog. Keep Auburn in your prayers, thoughts, as we go through this part in our nation's history. According to FEMA, over 200 people has been injured and only 50 has died. Good night, thank you.
You're welcome.
Message from the President of
Jeez.
the United States. You are listening to the
Now it got louder.
System. All broadcast and cable system shall transmit this shelter-in-place emergency.
Alright,
The
alright.
emergency alert system has been activated.
You're welcome to. Next is Eilish Jack. So yeah, it's the same thing still. I didn't change it. It's still the same thing. All right, we got Eilish Jack-o'-lantern in here. Eilish Jack-o'-lantern. Wow.
The following message is
Jesus Christ! It scared the crap out of me.
Police is looking for a dangerous person in this area.
I already all know these creepypastas.
At this time is known to break into people's homes with the intent of ceasing his hunger. All residents
right.
within a 55-mile radius of the city of LA is advised to stay in your homes.
And why?
Description of the suspect from victims is racial ethnicity white American, with dark brown hair, age ranging from 19 to 21. The victims have stated that he wears a dark bluish black hoodie. With black pants, police is advising residents trying not to apprehend the suspect as he is considered dangerous.
Yeah, oh my god, what the hell? Oh my god.
Smile dog, error.
Jesus Christ.
Smile dog.
So that's what he looks like. And who took that photo? Whoever took that photo, he died.
Smile dog, error.
Oh my god, it's raining.
Smile dog.
What? Smile Dog is back. Stop looking at me like that, dude. What's going on? Stop looking at me. I hear stuff in the background.
There has been an error reloading message.
There's been
There has been an error reload.
wow.
There has been an error reloading message. There has been an error reloading message.
Oh my god. Another one. Are you gonna say apologize acceptedly? Apologize acceptedly is not available in this scene. Please turn back now before you get killed. Nah, it's kidding.
The following message is
Jeez.
by the LA Police Department. Police is looking for a dangerous person in this area.
Which one?
The intentions of the person at this time is known to break into people's homes with the intent of ceasing his hunger.
It's the same thing. Are you gonna repeat that again?
5-mile radius
Are you sure the Smile Dog image?
is advised to stay in your homes.
Alright, fine, we'll listen.
Description of the suspect from victims is racial ethnicity white American, with dark brown hair, age ranging from 19 to 21. The victims have stated that he wears a dark bluish black hoodie. With black pants, police is advising residents trying not to apprehend the suspect as he is considered dangerous.
Oh, you're not gonna show that image? Next. Alright. Shut up, man. Shut up. Next. Close to the end, halfway, you got 20. Boy, I gotta make a part 2 on this. Alright, let's change. There we go, let's go. I haven't changed it again still. It's still the same thing.
This message is at the request of the LA Police Department. Around 1:13 p.m. Central Daylight Time, the LA Animal Control has confirmed the last message broadcasted over the emergency alert system was indefinitely Smile Dog.
Oh, okay.
Smile Dog was last seen by a civilian at 503 West Hot Drive and was reportedly in a civilian's home. The LA Police Department and the United States government has a loss to explain this phenomena. The man with the blue and black hoodie has been identified as Eilish Jack. According to his fandom page, Eilish Jack typically wears a black and blue hoodie with a blue mask and prefers consuming human organs. Eilish Jack is the possible owner of Smile Dog. As of 1:23 p.m.
alright.
Central Daylight Time, the local area emergency and the civil danger warning is now in effect.
Oh, okay. Alright, next. Still the same thing, guys. I haven't changed it. Calm your freaking... I don't know.
Is at the request of the LA
This is a
Police
request, what?
Department. At 10 a.m. Central Daylight Time, there has been a major event unfolding at a Starbucks at Olympic Boulevard, LA.
Starbucks.
According to the police, over 30 people, including workers, has been taken hostage. The intruder has the characteristics as Eilish Jack, but yet not has been confirmed. The LA police is trying their best to settle the dispute with little or no life as possible. Carl Currently, the LA police is looking into the matter as citizens must be aware that the state police has set up roadblocks and has shut down the following roads: West Olympic Boulevard, South Figueroa Street, S. Flower Street, West 11th Street, South Hope Street. No one is allowed in this area. The LA State Police is also in the process of diverting traffic on the roads mentioned. At this time, there are no communication with the perpetrators and no demands has been made. We interrupt your programming. This is a statewide emergency. The following message is transmitted by the LA Police Department. Please stand by.
Alright, I will. I seriously will. What you got for me?
This message is at the request of the LA Police Department.
You didn't scare me,
The Starbucks on West Olympic Boulevard has just been identified as Iris Jack and another unknown man. The description from the police were: skin almost too white paint, swirly hypnosis eyes, and is supposedly armed with firearms and harmful materials. The perpetrators has not talked to the police until this time. Police and civil authorities would like to remind the public do not enter this Starbucks until further notice. The emergency alert system has been activated.
Okay. Five minutes later, prepare yourselves. Prepare yourselves with what? What do you mean prepare ourselves? Let's see what we got here. Alright.
This is an update on the hostage situation. The following message is transmitted by the LA Police Department. The Starbucks that was taken hostage was reported fine with no signs of intrusion and with all the victims alive. There is an update on the situation as of 2:12 p.m. Central Daylight Time. There has been terrorist activity. Reports of a car crashed into the Starbucks that was taken hostage earlier today. According to the police, over 10 police officers was injured and 30 was killed. And 5 employees was injured and 1 was killed on impact. And no costumers was killed. The police is investigating the matter as we speak. The emergency alert system has been activated.
Alright, next. This next one is Ben Drown. And no, seriously, people, I haven't changed it. What do you got for me? We're just waiting. Hello, you gonna speak? Hello, you gonna speak up? Hello, you gonna speak? We're just waiting for a bit. He's like getting his mic ready. So how you doing, guys? Yeah, how's your family? How's the family? How's everyone? Yeah, okay, good. And yeah, bye. Alright. We're just waiting. What is going on with this guy? If you have a loud voice scaring me, I swear to God, I'm gonna drop my phone and smash it. Don't you dare do this to me. Don't you dare do this to me. Don't you dare. Don't you dare do this to me. I swear to God. I'm just gonna this popped up. Who the hell are you? What the hell? Who the hell are you? Hey, it's Link, the older version of Link. Hey, Linky boy, what's up? What? Don't jump scare me. Nah, he cool. Nah. Oh, Jesus Christ. What? Anything new? Hello? Hold up. Well, we reached the end. Alright, bye guys.